Cybercross, strategies, secrets, and cheat codes. Cybercross, a side-scrolling beat-em-up game, made its debut in 1989. It was developed and published by Face Corporation for the PC Engine. Despite not gaining widespread attention upon its release, the game garnered positive reviews for its impressive graphics and engaging gameplay, distinguishing itself within the beat-em-up genre. Cybercross follows a storyline reminiscent of Power Rangers or Super Sentai. Evil robots and insect-like creatures threaten Earth, and the only hope lies in a man who can transform into the superhero Cybercross. Equipped with a power suit, the protagonist can collect special pods that alter the suit's color, each providing a unique power. Losing the suit after 3 hits requires finding another color pod. The color-specific powers are: red pods give a sword, blue pods give a laser gun, green pods give a boomerang, and holding down the attack button launches a special attack. Face Corporation developed a direct sequel named Cross Wyber Cyber Combat Police, maintaining the original Power Rangers-like action with enhanced shooting mechanics. The sequel builds on the foundation set by Cybercross, delivering fresh and exciting gameplay. While Cybercross has only one cheat code, it proves highly beneficial. This code enables players to continue from where they left off after receiving a game over, eliminating the need to restart the entire game. Players can achieve this by holding down +1, +2, and pressing run twice on the game over screen. This cheat facilitates uninterrupted gameplay for those seeking a more forgiving experience.